What up, people? And welcome back. Or if you're new here, welcome. And if you are new here, you should hit that subscribe button, please, and thank you. I woke up this morning and my friend Karen had posted a picture. She took her daughter to this place called, hold on, Peekamoose Blue Hole. And honestly, it looks like a blue lagoon, a blue lagoon from like a movie in some like tropical place, and it's right here in New York, and it's less than 2 hours away. And even though it's now 2:15, so I'm gonna get there very late, I decided I'm still gonna go and check it out. We should probably get going because I'm already late as it is, so let's go. So, the second part of that waterfall is supposed to be like a swimming pool, kind of like a natural pool, and it is really awesome, but there was like 40 people swimming there. It was just like an entire family, and they were just like loud and obnoxious and annoying, so I just didn't even bother trying to take a photo. But at least we got the first part, because the waterfall photos I think came out awesome. I'm gonna see if I can find anything to do on the way home. Maybe I can like jump in a lake somewhere. I got a 2-hour ride home, so who knows?